I want to make a pink lip balm and scrub today. Very simple and easy. So I have my for the scrub I have sugar, a mild whitening oil, my coloring, pink coloring, and honey. So let's get started. So I firstly add my sugar here. Six. I had my mild whitening oil. I had it with 2 drops of whitening oil. Then I had honey. Like 4 drops of honey. And I add a color. Like 3 drops of color. Then I mix. And that is our pink lip scrub. I'm going to go to pink lip balm right now. Clean the sides. So for the pink lip balm, I have this. I have my strong whitening cream. I'm just going to take a scoop or 2. 1, 2. It's already a strong whitening cream, right? The strong whitening cream, white base. Then I had my pink coloring. So I had to add small whitening cream to it so as to make it thick because it was looking watery. That's why it's appearing thicker. More coloring. Add 1 to 2 drops of peppermint oil. I'm sorry I omitted that. Thank you. And this is our pink lip balm and scrub. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Please turn on your notification buttons. Thank you so much. Bye.